Hello! Have you ever felt frustrated with getting an answer from Google? Today I'll show you 3 ways to be a more effective and efficient answer seeker. Let's go! Tip 1. Use tabs. Here's how. In the browser of your choice, do a search right from the address bar. Let's do Windows 10. Along the top here, you'll see the tabs. The default is All. News from the latest in the media on Windows 10, or perhaps you need to buy an upgrade. Under Shopping, narrow your search on images, or perhaps videos. Under More, you can find maps, books, flights, and finance searches that are directly related to Windows 10. Last, let's look at Tools. Over on the left, you can narrow your results even further. So let's talk in more detail about Advanced Search. One way to get to Advanced Search is right from the Settings tab. There it is. Another is from the Google homepage, under Settings, Advanced Search. So, on the left, look at all these special options that don't require punctuation or specific variables. But if you'd like to learn them, here on the right are examples of how to type operators directly into the basic search box. Moving down, we'll see a lot of options for narrowing your results. And this time, on the right, are explanations of each narrowing down function. Moving on, it's easy to get quick answers right from the search bar. Enter a math equation and get a scientific calculator. Need a conversion? Use the conversion calculator. Many choices. Or just ask the weather. Great for if you're traveling. That's it. Thanks for watching. Join me next time for another technology quick tip or 3. Bye-bye.